This is the 500-pound capacity trackside motorcycle carrier on sale at Cyclegear this month for $100, normally a $200 item. If you've ever hauled your motorcycle with a trailer before, you know how slow and cumbersome that is. A trailer, you can only go 55 miles an hour, Pete, and you're kind of stuck with a long, slow slog. But if you can get a motorcycle on the carrier on the back of your vehicle, you can go at freeway speeds, and you barely even notice the weight on the back of your car. In this case, we're running it on a Toyota 4Runner. And for long distance traveling, like getting down to Baja or all the way over to Idaho, if you're up here in Northern California, a motorcycle carrier is the only way to go. Real easy assembly. I get my best minion on the job here. Baby Pete, at 2.5-year-old, basically put this thing together for us today, and we had it together in no time at all. The way this thing is anchored is a little different. You're running the handlebars down to here, and you're grabbing a hold of the foot straps here, and that gives a very secure attachment. Now, I think we're going to do a little cleaner job of this. Instead, just wrap it right around the rim here and prevent these things from bouncing out. After you assemble this thing, you're going to want to line up these bolts here so that you get your tires mounted nicely into the carrier. Now on this model, I've added some additional anti-sway protection here, but that's going to chafe the hell out of the paint job. Be careful with this stuff chafing against your big tank, in this case on the EXC 350F. But it makes for, watch this, Pete, it makes for a very secure attachment. It's got a little wobble back here, and there's some additional sway protection that comes with the kit as it attaches to your rear hitch point. Now, once you get your motorcycle on, you can't open the rear hatch anymore. You're gonna have to go through the rear window. So get all your beer and stuff out before you, or back in before you put the motorcycle on the carrier. Right here is your ramp. Just pop that off. It's got a pin right here. Slides in right here and slide the motorcycle on and off of there very easily. So the 500-pound capacity trackside carrier from Cyclegear, the only way to go. Thumbs up, Pete. In there. Put that not on there. The other way. The nylon goes on the outside like that. Okay, come here. Tighten it up. No, tighten the other way. Oh. Tighten it up this way.
Which way?
This way.
That way?
Yep, that way. Putting the carrier together. Baby Pete, 2.5. Put your fingers.
No, we're not tiny. No, don't do it.
Okay, now push it through. Good. Okay. Now put your washer on there. Put your washer right there.
Okay.
Okay, what goes next? Yep, that's right. The other way. That's it. You learn pretty fast. Okay, that's it. Shove it in there. You're gonna have to work faster than this if you're gonna make flat rate. There you go. Shove it in there. Straight, straight, straight. Okay, now push it in. Good. Get a washer, get a nut. Gotta keep your workstation clean. Get that washer, put a washer on. Okay, what goes next, Pete? That's right. Mm-hmm.
Come on.
You got it. Keep going.
I can't.
What do you mean you can't?
Because I'm not a baby boy. I almost a little boy.
Yes. 2.5, right? You're almost 3.
That way?
Yep, you got it. That's it. You did it, see? Easy. Easy peasy.
Go like that.
Mm-hmm. No, the other way. The nylon goes on the outside, remember?
Oh.
Yes. That's why it's a nylon locking nut.
That way?
Yep. Righty-tighty. Okay. Good.
But the bug is almost done.
Almost. Where's the washer? Are you sitting on it? No. No, what goes first?
And this,
Yes. What's that called?
washer.
That's right.
Another time?
Yep.
This way.
Righty-tighty.
That way?
Righty-tighty.
Which way?
Mm-hmm.
Which way, Daddy?
Yep. Go on there straight.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay.
How about detail?
Well, we got to read the instructions and figure out where those go. Here. Like most men. We just look at the pictures.
Well, peaceful.
Not sure. Let's figure it out. What do you call that?
Washer.
Right.
That way?
Mm-hmm. Good.
Two more.
2 more?
Yeah. Which way?
The nylon, not that way, the other way.
Oh.
There you go. Good. I'll do the nut. I'm gonna catch it. Good. Mhm. Good. Punch it all the way through. Line it up. Wiggle it. Turn it the other way. Good. Good. The washer.
This broken washer.
Yeah, it's called the lock washer. You say lock washer?
Rock washer.
That's right. Keeps the nut from falling off. This is what?
This is what a wall.
Lots of work? Yeah, well, putting something together that you want to do is always a lot of work.
Yeah.
Are we almost done? Okay.
What connects? Daddy?
We got to tighten all this up. We got to get the wrenches and tighten all this up.
Well, okay.
Who's in there? The wing nuts? Not the bolts, I'm sorry. The wing nuts, the little guys? Yeah. Bring them over. Now that you've got it all adjusted with the mallet, and put, oops, get that wing nut. And put it on right there. And that holds the ramp on to the motorcycle carrier. You're almost done. Yep, spin it on there, righty-tighty. We'll size it up onto the back of the Toyota and size the motorcycle onto the ramp, see if we need to adjust any of these. And we got the anti-sway device mounted right in here. Did you get it?
I did it.
Try it again. Hold it on this. Hold it on a square like this. Are the threads boogered up?
Oh,
There we go.
Why that?
Yeah, it's a little trickier because it's a wing nut. No, the other way. That's the way, yes. Tricky, huh?
You need to do that.
Are we almost done, Pete? Was it a big job?
Yeah.
Was it easy? Even a child can do it? Okay. Can you give me a thumbs up? You got it.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
But we need this.
Yes, to make minor adjustments, right? Say bye-bye.